Welcome back to Self-Growth Stories, the place where even the smallest things can teach us the biggest lessons. Today, we have a story about hope, perseverance, and the incredible strength hidden inside you, called The Seed That Broke Through the Rock. Let's begin. Beneath a giant gray rock, in the smallest crack of earth, a tiny seed waited. No sunlight reached it, no breeze touched it. Around it, everything was hard and cold. The seed whispered, "Why was I planted here? Nothing can grow in this place." Days passed, then weeks dark, silent, lonely. But deep inside, the seed carried something no rock could crush: hope. One morning, the seed felt a drop of rain, then another. Warmth began to rise from the earth. Something inside the seed stirred. A soft voice whispered, "Try." And so it did. Slowly, painfully, it pushed against the rock, against the weight, against the impossible. Every inch felt like forever, but still, pushed. The days grew hot, the nights cold. The crack was too small, the rock too heavy. The seed's new roots trembled. Sometimes it wanted to stop, but a gentle thought echoed through the darkness. "If I stop now, I'll never see the sky." So it gathered its strength and pushed again. Then, one quiet dawn, it happened. A soft crack echoed. The rock had split. From the tiny opening, a single green shoot reached upward. Trembling, shining in the golden light, the seed had done the impossible. It had broken through stone. Now above the rock, the little plant swayed in the wind. It saw the sky for the first time, wide, blueless. The plant whispered softly, "All the pressure that tried to stop me was the reason I grew strong enough to rise." Remember, just like the seed that pushed through the rock, your struggles are shaping you into someone stronger and brighter. Keep going, no matter how hard life seems. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more stories that touch the heart and lift your spirit. Until next time, keep growing.